sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na linlang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala.
are back to the ball game. Sorry, I was just talking to Coach Al Banaga of Liceo de San Pablo. That's why I'm late for the game casting. So we're now witnessing our last game for our 16 under division. This is a battle between Laguna Hope Dreamers and YMCA. Sorry, it's not YMCA, it's SCBA playoffs. And still, here comes jersey number 29. Lays it up and it's good. Para dito kay Dicena. Jersey number 2, Benali. No good. Here comes jersey number 16. 2 points. And a steal by Dunka. Dunka spins. And he attacks and he gets that basket. Brought to you by Anthony Dunka. Jersey number 21 misses. And a follow-up by Dicena. A huge shoutout. Nagre-request dito, Aaron Clyde Fernandez from the Liceo Buguayans. And the steal. A fast break. And it's good for jersey number 21. That's Abareles. Substitution. $18 seconds to shoot para dito sa SCBA. Sarmiento to Dunka. Back to Sarmiento. Finds Montoya. Pupukol ng 3. No good. Dunka is there on that rebound and Dunka will be fouled. That will be against Bin Ali. First personal foul and first team foul para dito sa LHD. Shooting 2 is Anthony Dunka. First shot para dito kay Dunka is good. Second shot is short para dito kay Dunka. Bin Ali to Monedo. Monedo handing that letter. And the ball will go to the side of the boys in gray. Gray-black. Comes De La Cruz with a steal. De La Cruz dire-derecho. Couldn't make that basket. Montoya. The corner. Sarmiento fires a 3. It's no good. De La Cruz on the leather. De La Cruz penetrates and he attacks. No good. Follow up, wala pa rin. And jersey number 8 will finally get that ball for SCBA. Comes Montoya to the corner for 3. No good. And a jump ball. Here comes jersey number 13, fires at 3, no good. And Dunka on that rebound. Dunka will be fouled. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 11. First personal foul and first team foul for jersey number 11. It's Monedo. We're now down to under 4 minutes para dito sa ating first half or for our first quarter or our opening quarter. It's 0 out of 2 para dito kay Anthony Dunca. And ball will go back to the side of SCBA playoffs. Montoya couldn't handle that leather kaya mapapapunta sa mga nakapula ang bola. And there's a foul. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 8 Dorado. First personal foul and second team foul for the side of the playoffs. First shot is good for De La Cruz. Second shot no good para dito kay De La Cruz. Niem on that rebound. Montoya on the leather. Binigay kay Dorado. Finds Montoya. 3-second violation. Here comes Monedo. Jersey number 19, Belen. Mapipituhan ng traveling itong si Belen. Montoya. To Niem. To Baser. No good. Rebound by jersey number 14 to that's De Leon to Monedo. The steal by Montoya and he will be fouled. Foul on jersey number 11. Monedo, that will be his second personal foul and third team foul para dito sa Hoop Dreamers. Niem fires at 3. It's too strong. Dorado is blocked and is fouled by jersey number 31, De La Cruz. That will be his first personal foul and warning for penalty. First shot is good para dito kay Dorado. That's a basket for jersey number 9. Relieta on the leather. It's a 3-point lead para dito sa mga nakapula with under 1 minute. Relieta finds De Leon. Matatapikan doon si De Leon. Here comes Montoya. Montoya on the leather. Finds Karaan. Binalik kay Montoya. To Dorado on the corner. No good. Relieta on that rebound. To Nieva, back to Relieta. Ibinigay dito kay Monedo. To De Leon, back to Monedo. Relieta with 10 seconds to shoot. Relieta launches a 3. That's too strong. And that's it for first quarter. Official score is 11-8. 3-point lead by Laguna Hoop Dreamers.
Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig.
Welcome back to the ball game. Again, this is our last game for 16 under division, and opening this quarter is Relieta with 2 points. And syempre, before we proceed with our second quarter, we would like to acknowledge our sponsors and partners for helping us make this Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs possible. First of all is AG Sports Apparel by Mr. A.G. Cabanse. We also have Brotherhood Barbershop, JEJ Auto Care, A Plus Muscle Recovery, and of course our official media partner is Velvet Media Productions by JJ Maghira. We'd also like to acknowledge, of course, our table officials, our referees, and special thanks dito sa pamunuan ng San Pablo City Central Elementary School for letting us use the Amante Gymnasium for Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs. Dorado didn't make that one. It's an out of bounds para dito sa mga nakapula. And being deployed here on the side, or before we proceed, that's Dorado with the 2. Being deployed here on the side of Laguna Dreamers, we have jersey number 14 De Leon, jersey number 19 Relieta, jersey number 12 Nieva, jersey number 29, I think. 29 is Decena. Jersey number 11 Monedo. At para naman dito sa mga naka-itim, we have jersey number 12 Sarmiento, jersey number 31 De Castro, jersey number 23 Caraan, we have jersey number 8 Dorado, and jersey number 11 Baser. Change of line na tayo dito sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers. I-deploy na jersey number 21 Abareles, kapalit nitong si Relieta. Karaan to Dorado on the corner. No good. Here comes Monedo to Decena. Launches it, no good. Makukuha dito ni Sarmiento. Sarmiento coast to coast. Gives the ball The Juicy De Castro with a big three. And De Leon is down. Baba sa dalawa dito ang kalamangan nitong Laguna Hope Dreamers against SCBA Playoffs. And this Sena, hindi niya makuha doon yung bola. Kaya naman mapapapunta sa SCBA Playoffs. Ang ball possession natin. As I was saying earlier, mga ka-Velvet, this is just the last game for our 16 under division. We still have one more game to go. Our main game for today is is our 18 under division. It's between Creekside, San Rafael, and AG Apparel Wild Boys. Descaran with a big three, and he gets the lead for the SCBA playoffs. Monedo. Pero it's out of bounds. And a timeout by Laguna Hope Dreamers. And we will be back after the break.
Sarili, upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Pagkapasa ng bola, bigla ang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang.
We're back to the ball game after that timeout by LHD. Sarmiento on that leather. Gives the ball to Baser. Bakit ako nabubol today? I'm sorry guys. Sarmiento almost loses that one. De Castro to Baser. Baser lays it up. Or launches, sorry. No good. Matatabig dito ni Baser. Ang bola, De Castro. To Sarmiento. And we're now down to our last 5 minutes of our second quarter. And Baser with a big three. Abareles to Desena, iniluwaba. Sarmiento is fouled here. Foul on jersey number 11, Monedo. It's his, I think, second personal foul for Monedo. Second team foul para dito sa mga nakapula. First shot, no good para dito kay Sarmiento. Relieta to De La Cruz. This is now a 6-point lead by SCBA. And Itosis gets that ball Gives the ball to De Castro. To Baser. To Sarmiento. 10 seconds at the shot clock para dito sa SCBA. And no good para dito sa SCBA. Relieta hindi mahabol yung bola, kaya naman another turnover for the side of Laguna Hope Dreamers. Good defense then on the side of Laguna Hope Dreamers there. They didn't allow SCBA to have a basket, kaso hindi nila na convert into points yung turnover na yon ng SCBA. And another turnover on the side of SCBA. Ngayon naman, a traveling violation is called on Baser. Comes De La Cruz. No good para dito kay jersey number 3, but there's a foul. Mapipituhan dito Hitusis. First personal foul and second team foul. And now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 2. That's been Ali. First shot no good para dito kay Bin Ali. Second shot is good. And the timeout is called by Coach Datu and the rest of the SCBA playoffs.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para
And we are back to the ball game para dito sa bakbakan ng LHD at ng SCBA. De La Cruz gets that leather. And nagre-request po dito ng shoutout, Mr. Genrev Gamen of AG Apparel Wild Boys. Baser launches a 3. No good. Dunka gets that ball. Pero mapipituhan dito si Anthony ng offensive foul. Second personal foul and 13 foul on the side of SCBA. De La Cruz on that leather finds Relieta. We have a foul away from the ball. That's Montoya. First personal foul and a warning for penalty ngayon ang SCBA. Relieta on the leather. 10 to shoot para dito kay Bautista. Launches it. No good. Montoya on that leather. Montoya will be fouled. Matatawagan dito jersey number 31, James De La Cruz. Second personal foul and 13 foul. 18 seconds to shoot. Montoya To Baser. Napalakas masyado. Comes Relieta. To Monedo. Monedo launches a 3 and he gets that basket. And we are now tied at 23. We have a foul on Baser. First personal foul and a penalty. And we're tied at 25. Another deadlock of the game. Here comes Dunca, loses that ball. Monedo to Bautista, back to Monedo. No good. Montoya gives the ball to Anthony. Dunca handles that leather. Napamali ng pasa dun si Dunca, kaya mapupunta sa mga nakapula. Pero mababawi ni Montoya. Finds Karaan, fakes. And a steal by Relieta. Relieta, dire-diretso. He misses. And that's it para sa ating second quarter. Official score is all 25 and we will be back after a halftime break.
Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag ka mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat
Welcome back to our ball game. And this is the start of the third quarter, bakbakan sa pagitan ng SCBA playoffs at itong Laguna Hope Dreamers. Basta namin ni Mami kanina. Nandito si Mami mo kanina. Parang galing dito dito. Makulong na lang sa magaling. Sabi ko sa'yo, malaki yung shape sa iyo. Nalimutan ko na. Back-to-back basket for SCBA. Now, to open this third quarter, the second half, para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Datu. Sarmiento couldn't get that basket, and Nieva is there to get that ball. Sino kasama niyo kumain? Pakisali. Montoya and Adona couldn't get that leather. I can now see here players from both sides, from Creek side and AG Apparel Wild Boys. And a miscue there. The basket will be given to the playoffs. May nagwawala po dito. Gusto na shoutout. Shoutout to Mr. James Arjen Briones. All the way from LSPU. And now joining Team AG Apparel Wild Boys. And we have a foul. Foul on Monedo. Monedo, that's his fourth personal foul. Para dito kay Monedo. And first team foul para dito sa LHD. Niam on the letter. Finds Montoya. Montoya lumapit and he gets that basket. Out of bounds. Bola ng SCBA. Sarmiento to Dunka. Dunka fakes, Dunka shots, and he gets that basket. It's a double dribble. And a timeout for LHD.
Sa mga play na ginawa ni Coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamang.
And we are back after the timeout by LHD. And a big three-pointer on the side. of SCBA. Here comes Dunka. Dunka penetrates so good. Dunka kanya pa din. And he gets that basket. Return over. Turn over for the side of LHD. Dorado tries that three, no good. Relieta fires a three. Wala Adona on that rebound. Adona gives the ball to Sarmiento. Sarmiento finds Adona, no good. Dorado is fouled. Foul on jersey number 11, Monedo. 5 fouls. And it will be out for the rest of the game today. It's 2-for-2 for Dorado. And Binali finally answers for LHD. Under 5 minutes. Sarmiento to Montoya. And Adona with a big three para dito sa SCBA. And De La Cruz answers with a 2. Sarmiento to Dorado to Sarmiento. That's too strong. Adona pumukul ulit ang 3 and he gets another 3-pointer. Brought to you by GC number 3. Adona. Abareles sasagot. No good. Adona, a steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz is fouled by Dunka. Third personal foul and first team foul para dito sa mga nakaitim. Out of bounds, bola ng LHD. Binali, 2 points. A 15-point lead. And a steal by LHD. That's out of bounds. Ball will go back to the side of SCBA. A 15-point lead by SCBA. As we approach the last 3 minutes of our third quarter, here comes De Castro. Couldn't get that one. Binali on that rebound. And Relieta to the corner. Abareles fakes. Abareles penetrates. And he gets that basket. Sarmiento to Alcaide. Alcaide pupukol ng 3 and that's a big 3 brought to you by Alcaide. And 2 points para dito kay Bin Ali. Sagutan ng puntos sa magkabilang panig. Sarmiento. Just number 88. Fires. 2 points. Kailangan nilabas doon because we saw 2 jersey number 31. 2 players wearing jersey number 31 sa side ng LHD and we're not allowing that. That's why kailangan ilabas yung isa. Alcaide to Sarmiento. It's blocked by Bin Ali. Amareles on the fast break. Misses. Out of bounds. Ball will go to the side of SCBA. With under 2 minutes left for a third quarter. Reyes on the leather finds Baser. Gives the ball to Reyes. Fires at 3. Short. The steal by Baser. Alcaide. Montoya to Baser. Dorado lumapit. 2 points. Bautista on the leather. Jersey number 21, Amareles, pupol ng 3, and that's a basket para dito jersey number 21. Aldrich Amareles. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds left. Reyes fires at 3. And in out. Last 10 seconds para sa ating third quarter. And Nieva couldn't make that one. And we will be back for fourth and final quarter. 57-42, 15-point lead by SCBA.
Hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet.
Muli, welcome back to the ball game. This is still the battle between SCBA Playoffs and Laguna Hope Dreamers. This is the fourth and final quarter of this matchup para sa ating 1600 division. Amareles on the leather. Na-turn over para dito sa LHD. Montoya to Baser to Alcaide. He misses. Bautista couldn't handle that leather, pero mananatili ang bola dito sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Bautista to Abareles, gives the ball to Ben Ali, to jersey number 13. Sorry, that's jersey number 12, Nieva. Rad. Here comes Montoya to the other side. Reyes gives the ball back to Montoya, and a 24-second shot clock violation para dito sa SCBA. And we are now joined here tonight by one of Blue Steel's main man, Kenneth Gusi. And a steal para dito kay Nieva. Gives the ball to jersey number 21, Abareles, and that's a good one. On the corner for Dorado, no good. Nieva. Baba sa 11 ang kalamangan dito na SCBA. That's still on under 8 minutes. And we have a foul. Sorry, basket counts with a foul. Para dito kay jersey number 8 Bautista, and foul called on jersey number 8 Dorado. Second personal foul. First team foul para dito sa SCBA. And on the line, we have jersey number 8 Bautista. And he gets that bonus throw. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan dito na SCBA. Baser to Dungka. Lazy up. No good. Masyadong malakas doon yung bato ni Dungka. Nieva gets that basket. Just a 6-point lead para dito sa SCBA. Baser. Magkakatapikan. Makukuha pa na din ni Ali. Here comes Abareles. To Nieva, no good. Makukuha ni Adona. Finds Dungka. Mapipituhan dito ng traveling itong si Anthony. Abareles on the leather. Abareles finds Bautista, couldn't get that basket. Here comes Adona to Niem sa ilalim. 2 points. Nieva fires, no good. The rebound goes to LHD pa din. And a big 3 by Abareles. Sorry, it's a 2, I think. It's a 2-pointer for... Yeah, it's a 3 for Abareles. And that gets the lead down to 5 para dito sa mga nakaitim. Comes Bautista. And basket is good para dito kay Decena. Baba sa 3. And Adona tries a 3. Here comes Abareles. 2 points para kay Abareles. And the lead is now down to 1 para dito sa SCBA. Niem couldn't get that one. Baser tries a three. That's too strong. Niem is there on the rebound. Baser to Adona. Still couldn't get a basket para dito sa SCBA. And Desena gives the ball to Abareles. Fires a three. In and out. Makukuha ni Niem. To Baser. Gives the ball to Adona. Adona is fouled. Mapipituhan dito. Jersey number 21, Abareles. First personal foul and first team foul. And Sarmiento will be fouled. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 8. First personal foul, second team foul. Si Sky pa siya. Si Jarvita. And we have a foul on Adona. First personal foul and second team foul on the side of SCBA. Abareles finds Bautista, couldn't make that one, and it's Desena, I think, who gets that basket, and they take the lead now. 60-59. That's a line ball para dito sa SCBA. Nieva. Desena tries, no good. Ball remain on the side of LHD. Bautista on the leather. No good. Sarmiento to Montoya. Montoya on the leather. Finds Sarmiento on the corner. And a big three. Para dito kay Sarmiento. And the CBA reclaim that lead against dito sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers. It's an out-of-bounds ball. The ball will remain on the side of the Dreamers. Abareles. Ruleta back to Abareles. Fires a three. And we can now see also arriving here at Central Gymnasium is Rad de Roma. Mr. Bigman of Barangay Santa Elena. And basket count, zero foul para dito. Kaya Paredes. And Abarela is now on the free throw line. His own shot. A chance to take the lead. Once again, para dito sa LHD. And Abareles misses his bonus shot. Baser. Toya. And we are now down to our last 2 minutes. Donald fires a three, no good. De La Cruz. That's a line ball. SCBA playoffs ball. Montoya on the leather. Adona reclaims the lead once again para dito sa mga naka-team. Pero this end with that fake. It's another deadlock of the game. And that's why Coach Datu will call a timeout. We're all at all 64 with 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining time.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mut, pasok sa kalawang palika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig.
Sabihan kita. Another two-pointer by SCBA and now under a minute. And a whistle for a traveling violation. For Laguna Hope Dreamers, what a matchup. Dito sa ating last game for our 16 under division. Pero paalala mga kaliga, ka-Velvet rather, we're not yet done for today. We still have our 18 under division. Dunka for 2. And a timeout for LHD. Pwede naman ilipat natin ito kay anong Roger, diba? Kay Jamie.
Sure, pag dinouble team ka na sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth, pasok sa galawang paligan.
Ako na pala magbababa. Ako na. And we are now back to the ball game. Less than 40 seconds. No good. Dunka secures that rebound. Dunka coast to coast. He misses. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 3, Adona. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. And De La Cruz makes a big three with 10 seconds remaining time. Just a 2-point lead para dito sa SCBA. Adona. And that's it. For our ball game, our winner of the night is SCBA Playoffs. We're just waiting for table officials. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 16, Angelo Montoya. And we will be back, mga ka-Velvet, for our last game of the day. It's Creekside San Rafael versus AG Apparel Wild Boys.
Dinakot, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. O pensang parang yung kalbo na laging na